Alright guys, just finished up this 2018 Denali HD. It's got the 4-inch Cognito standard kit. It comes with the Fox 2.0 smooth body shocks. We also added the optional upper control arms to it. 37, 12, 50, 20 Toyo MTs. With this setup, we do have to move the bumper slightly forward and up. We moved it forward about 3/8 of an inch and up about 3/8 of an inch as well. That just gives us enough clearance so that when you turn, the tire's not trying to come in here and touch this area. Some guys will come in here and cut that, and that works too, but for as little of clearance that we needed, moving the bumper is a better option on this setup. Also have to trim some of your plastic back here, just this little area. Check out the Cognito upper arms, the Fox shocks. Now this is a full drop 4-inch kit, so everything is dropped equally 4 inches, which is why you've got such great angles on your suspension. That's going to translate into better suspension life out of your ball joints, tie rods, steering, your pitman idler. That's also going to ride a lot better. As you can see with this kit, we did go ahead and replace the lower ball joints. We also had to replace the steering, the pitman idler arm, and a couple other things while we were in there. This kit comes with a 1-inch rear block. We were sitting a touch high in the rear, so we ended up not using the block. It ended up being dead level after it was done. Now I've seen some of these kits where they need the 1-inch block, and I've seen some that don't. There are some variations between trucks. But just know you can run it without the block if you choose to. So essentially we're setting it factory ride height in the rear, and then the 4-inch lift in the front, and then it turned out dead level. There's no spacers that are needed with this setup. It's always the first question people want to ask if you run factory wheels. If you had to run spacers, no spacers needed with this kit, with this tire setup. Alright guys, that's going to be it on this one. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.